Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Netflix account without debit or credit card in 2026. So guys, if you want to create a Netflix account, you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, you have to simply go to App Store or Play Store and search for Netflix. And from here, download and install the latest version of Netflix app. And after this, open it. And now here you can see you can sign in your account if you have an already account, and if you don't have the account you can go to this website to create a account. So guys, simply go to this website, and after this the website will be opened like this on your browser. Here you can see you have to simply enter your email address to create the account. I am entering my address. So guys, enter your email address and tap on get it started and tap on send link and go to your inbox and check your inbox. Here you can get the link, and now tap on create your account button from here, and from here select the browser, and once the link is opened, here you can see this, the account is created. So guys, in this way you can also create a new account on Netflix very easily. So guys, here you can see this, you can go to finish sign up settings from here, and then you can go to next, and from here you can get the plans whichever you want. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily get the plans from here of Netflix. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.